It's a 2017 Jeep Cherokee. From rough trails to downtown nightlife, this Jeep Cherokee handles it all with the perfect combination of grit and grace. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start smart device, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Experience the Jeep life. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.